So let's go to the display unit, and I'll just give a quick walkthrough of what is it and what are the features that are available in the display. So you can see the dash now, right? So it says kill switch is off, so that's one of the warning that gives. So let's get into the display. Okay, so we have 4 sub menus. One is KTM MyRide, trips, and then motorcycle, and then settings. So first we'll go to KTM MyRide. So we have the audio connection setting here. So once you pair your phone, you can navigate through the your titles or the songs that you want to play using these buttons. So these navigate buttons helps you to move around and choose the preferred songs you want. So this button you can move up, and this button you can move down, and this set button helps you to play the audio for you. So that's it on this audio file. And then navigation. So it says navigation on or off. We can enable the navigation on or off. Once the navigation is phone is paired, we can switch it on or switch it off. That the display will come on the screen. And then moving on, the pairing. So pairing is, you can pair your phone or you can pair your headset to this display through Bluetooth. So I have paired my phone through Bluetooth. You can see the phone name reflecting here. So that's a very good feature. And then moving on to the trips and data. So trip 1, trip 2, so you can set the trips, right? So the kilometers you're going to cover, or so for now it's a default. I've not set anything, so it's 153 kilometers I have covered. So it's just showing that. And then it's showing the average fuel consumption is 28.2 kilometers, and then the speed is around average 35 kilometer, and trip time it's around some 4 minutes. So fuel range is also shown here, 270 kilometers. All useful info. It's a very good display unit. So trip 2 also the same. And warning, it shows the kill switch is is off. Or if I switch it on, let's see what it shows. Yeah, side stand. So the next warning comes up. So side stand is on, so it shows up. So that is also a cool feature, which a safety feature that can be included, right? Moving on, and then we'll get into the motorcycle. So there are 2 options available, ABS and MTC. ABS is on road ABS, and then off-road ABS. There are 2 options. So on-road ABS is enabled here, and off-road ABS, if you want, we can enable by pressing the set button. And then coming back, we have traction control on and off. So by default, again, traction control is on when you switch off the ignition, right? So we'll switch on the ignition, but when you don't want, when you're taking an off-road, definitely we have an option to switch it off. And then settings, you have favorites, quick selector 2, Bluetooth, display theme, shift light, clock date. So clock date, so it shows the current date. You can set the current date and time. And units, so you can set the units here for a distance. So now it is kilometers, so if you want in miles, you can do that. And then the fuel consumption, it's kilometer per liter, or whichever unit you prefer. So it's better to have kilometers per liter for our Indian conditions, right? So language, so English UK, English US, Dutch, so whichever language you prefer. And then service, so next service is due in 846 kilometers, that shows. So the first service is around 1000 kilometers, right? So I've covered 150 kilometers odd, so it shows the next kilometers, the service due interval. And we have some extra functions as well. So cornering ABS is here. So cornering ABS, if you want, you can, it is switch it on. MTC we have already done. And then extra functions, service we have just had a look at it. Clock date, yes. Shift light, display theme. So it's automatic. So there are two displays available, one is the white theme and one is the dark theme. So now I kept it automatic. It chooses the display background as per the sunlight, or if it is dark then the black theme will come. That's a cool feature. And we have Bluetooth, you can connect Bluetooth. So that's it guys. I think favorites, you can set whichever option you wanted to set it as a favorite. So these favorites actually comes in the main display. So when the display shows up, so for example I have kept the trip time enabled, right? So it will show in the main display, and again fuel range it will get displayed, and date it will get displayed, so all those things. So that's it guys. So that's the overall video. I think I've covered my the features and the experience I had so far. So you can look forward for more videos. Thanks for watching. Please do support my channel. Thank you.